Hello, I'm Mike Cisco with the IT Manager Institute, and welcome to my IT Manager Quick Tips segment. This is session number 5, IT Organization Progression. I'm often asked, how do you turn a struggling IT organization into a proactive value-add organization? Well, I use a simple process, and I'm about to show you at a high level. I'm going to give you an overview of what I do. Now, granted, there's a lot of detail within all of this, but at a high level, I'm going to show you exactly what I go through when I go into a company that needs to be turned around or where the IT organization needs to be improved. There's a free download at the end, and I'll give you a copy of what I'm about to show you. All right, progression of an IT organization. Let's take a look at it. Step 1, when you go into an organization, and let's say IT's struggling, that's usually the type of organizations I get called into as a consultant. But IT struggling, well, they're at phase 1. They're a reactive IT organization. They're basically reacting to things. They're not communicating very well. They're struggling with delivering projects successfully and so forth. They're at stage 1. Well, the first thing I do is I go in and I do an IT assessment. It's actually a business assessment, but we call it an IT assessment. What an IT assessment is going to give me is 2 key things. First, it's going to tell me what the business needs and issues are of the company, what we need to do to support the company. The second thing it's going to do is it's going to give me the IT capability. I'm going to learn what the IT skills and capability are and how much of it that we have. So I'm going to learn 2 things in this IT assessment: the demand for IT support and the supply of what we can deliver in IT support. Well, what comes out of an IT assessment are tactical initiatives, a 30 to 90 day action plan. And these are things like immediate projects that we need to do, IT support processes that we need to put in place, IT staffing gaps if we have any that we need to fill, either through training or hiring new people, and some cleanup types of things. Well, stage 2, when we start doing these tactical initiatives, we're becoming a responsive IT organization. That's stage 2. In the IT assessment, we learn some things that need to be in a longer term IT strategy. And also, when we start doing the tactical initiatives, we start working on those short term projects, we also learn some things. The input that we learn from those 2 parts leads us to where we can develop an IT strategy. And an IT strategy, when we develop that, that moves us into stage 3, which is being a proactive IT organization. Most IT managers wait until their senior manager asks them to deliver an IT strategy. If you do this proactively, you're moving into a proactive IT environment. Very important. All right, once we start implementing the IT strategy after it's approved, we're starting to become a value-add IT organization that's proactive and not reactive. Now, the key thing with this IT strategy is it's business driven because it's based upon the needs and issues of your company, and the things that are in the projects that you do need to be providing business value. Business value is 5 very specific things: decrease costs, improve revenue, increase productivity, differentiate the company so we can sell more widgets or services, and improve client satisfaction. When you're doing those kinds of things, you're providing value for the company and you're a value-add IT organization. All right, so I gave you a high level. It's a very simplistic view of moving from reactive IT organization to a value-add proactive IT organization. There's a lot of detail in each of these, as you might imagine. That's the reason I have several books that I've written on topics to help discuss the how-tos of these things, and many training classes like IT Assessment, The Key to Success, to describe how you go about doing these things. All right, there's a free download. Go to mde.net/itprogress.pdf and you'll get a download of the overview of what I showed of progression of an IT organization. I want to thank you for watching. I encourage you to subscribe to my IT Manager Institute channel. Go to YouTube and subscribe. There are 4 segments on there: quick tips, IT Manager 101, IT humor, and whiteboard lessons. If you're interested in more IT Manager resources, take a look at my website, itmanagerinstitute.com. I want to thank you again and wish you the very best of success. And again, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel titled IT Manager Institute.